Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to TechTrendz, where we explore the latest and greatest innovations shaping the future. From futuristic rides to robotic companions, today's lineup is guaranteed to blow your mind. Let's dive right in. 1. First up, we have the Xpeng X2, a futuristic electric vehicle that's redefining what it means to hit the road in style. With its fully enclosed two-seater cockpit and carbon fiber airframe, the Xpeng X2 delivers top-notch performance and unmatched efficiency. But it's not just about function, it's about making a statement. Sharing cutting-edge design DNA with the P7 model, this eco-friendly marvel is all about sustainability meeting luxury. Can you imagine cruising in a ride that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie? What's your take on this stunning blend of technology and design? Next, let's shift gears. Prepare to be shocked by the rise of cyber dogs. These aren't your average four-legged friends. Equipped with cutting-edge tech and even weaponry, these robotic dogs play pivotal roles in military operations. From performing high-risk surveillance to navigating challenging terrains, these AI-powered warriors are redefining modern warfare. But here's a question to ponder. Are these robotic canines a step towards safer operations, or do they pose a risk of replacing soldiers altogether? How do you feel about robots stepping onto the battlefield? 3. Now let's talk about a future where robots blur the line between machine and human. Imagine encountering someone who looks, moves, and acts like a human, only to discover they're actually a robot. Sounds incredible, right? With rapid advancements in robotics, scientists are pushing the limits, creating humanoid robots that mimic human behavior with astonishing accuracy. Some even speculate that fully human-like robots might already exist in secret. Could a robot one day replace your coworker or even your boss? How would you feel working alongside a machine that feels almost human? 4. Here's something a little more relaxing. Robotic masseuses. Picture this. You're reclined as robotic arms glide over your body with precision, delivering a massage tailored specifically to your needs. These advanced robots use sensors and actuators to mimic the movements of a skilled human masseuse, adjusting their pressure and technique to hit every tension point perfectly. Can technology like this truly replace the human touch, or is it the ultimate upgrade for self-care enthusiasts? Would you give it a try? 5. Finally, let's take flight with the Jetson 1, the first affordable eVTOL. That's electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle designed for personal use. No pilot's license required. With a lightweight build and race car-inspired design, the Jetson 1 lets you soar through the skies at speeds of up to 102 kilometers per hour, all while relying on advanced safety features like a redundant propulsion system and a ballistic parachute. Could this be the start of a new era in personal transportation? Where would you fly if you had one of these? From revolutionary vehicles to AI-powered marvels, today's innovations are proof that the future is now. Which of these breakthroughs caught your attention the most? Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. And remember, for more amazing tech insights, stay tuned to TechTrendz.